The journey from house hunting to home ownership starts with the right information at richmondcustomhomes.com. A mortgage calculator is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. Start by entering the home price, down payment, and loan term. This gives you a clear estimate of your monthly principal and interest. Next, include property taxes, homeowners insurance, and HOA fees to see your total monthly payment. Experiment with different interest rates to understand how small changes affect your payment over time. Tip: always round up your budget. It helps cover unexpected costs and keeps your finances stress-free. Using a mortgage calculator wisely gives you confidence and clarity before making one of life's biggest investments. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.